I got some new parts to install.
So basically, my audio takes a dump here in this particular clip, but I want to thank Talon at Turner & Friends for these lights and this intake. As soon as I seen them in the shop, I had to have them. So thank you so much for actually letting me have these compared to waiting for shipping times from a dealership. Let's get them on.
Okay, what you're gonna need to take out your headlights and your corner markers is a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably a ratchet with an 11mm socket. I don't know what the standard conversion is because I used to work on Volkswagens, so I'm just gonna say an 11mm. Your choice of trim removal tool, flathead screwdriver, plastic, whatever, as long as it gets the job done. And that's pretty much it. These cars are pretty simple when it comes to the headlights. This engine bay is rotten and covered with a bit of undercoating, so I'm definitely throwing on some gloves for this one. So for these cars, it's actually pretty simple to take these headlights out. You have two metal tabs, you just pull up on them, and the headlight practically falls out of the car. So the corner lights are almost as simple. It's just a Phillips head screw here, and then again, I don't know what the standard conversion is, but it's an 11mm nut inside the engine bay. Install is obviously super easy. You just reverse the uninstall. turns out that it's not quite as easy as just reinstalling if you're changing the headlights, because there are 3 adjuster tabs on the back of the headlights, and you really kind of got to mess around with them. At least I did on that side. I know there's a bunch of fiberglass broken on that side, so it never lined up anyway. I'm hoping I'll have better luck on this side. So just install your new bulb assemblies, put the headlight in, corner marker, good to go.
One thing I'm going to recommend is that it's definitely a good idea to make sure your stuff actually works before you button it all up, because the last thing you want is for you to be ready to go, you want to go out the door, and you figure out nothing works.
So I didn't get it lined up exactly the way I wanted. I'm honestly not quite sure how to align them. I know there's adjustments in the back, but I can't quite figure out how to get it sit level. I can get it to fit in and out, but not up and down. But it is safe to say that what's on the car now is way better than what used to be on it. Like, wow. So if you're ever looking to make the front of your car look pretty well brand new, headlights are a great place to start. So that's it for this video. These headlights turned out amazing. I am super stoked with how they turned out. I'd argue it's the best bang for your buck mod you can do to make the front of your car look as new as you can. I didn't put the intake on because it has a hole that I need to plug. Otherwise, it's pretty well plug and play. So if you like the video, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.